Hey, I want to say night tonight to you.
Come back with Daddy and Mama John and Mommy. Bye bye. Bye. Bye.
Bye, Ate Ka.
Ate Kat, don't cry.
Thank you so much.
Ma,
Balik ko, ha?
hindi mo ka magpapasok ng mga rider ko na.
Aray, pag pinapapasok ng mga driver.
Boy.
Bye, Ate. Nakulat siya.
Sige, ma'am, ako pa bukas go grocery din, ma'am. Okay, ma'am? Boy, walang magpapapasok tayo mga boy sa kapitbahay. Yung license, mama? Dito. Ay, Kat, namimiss na kita.
Okay, so we cooked and that's our food. This one, we bought this last night and then we forgot about it. So now it's frozen because I put it in the freezer. Yeah, we're gonna eat, right? Ayan mo yung hair mo.
Bakit? Ayusin ko pa. Let's eat.
Alright, now it's dinner time. And while we eat champurrado, oh shoot, I turned it off. While we're eating, we're gonna watch Stranger Things. Kat hasn't seen it, so we're gonna watch it from the first season.
How many seasons are there, Mom?
I think this is the fourth.
The recent one?
The newest one is the fourth. Delay from beginning. Yeah, so we're gonna start it. And then, yeah, we're gonna eat. Good morning. This is our weekly vlog for this week. Today is Monday, June 6th. Crazy how it's already June. That's wild, right? Diba? Ang bilis ng panahon. My gosh. May summer na, tapos pagkatapos ng summer, Christmas na naman, tapos 2023 na. Where does time go? Anyways, today I'm working from home. It's 11:26. I'm gonna go on lunch soon. I ordered lunch today because my cafeteria ako na miss from when I used to work from like nearby here, and so I ordered from there, and the food is supposed to arrive maybe in half an hour, so I'm gonna go on my break then. But this week I don't know if Kat has anything planned, so I have a massage planned for tomorrow or booked for tomorrow, and I have counseling, and then we have dinner with Bea and Alex on Friday. Yeah, so yun lang naman this week. So yung counseling ko is just like therapy. Yeah, I think it's really important to be able to talk about what you're feeling and your feelings and your emotions and traumas, if there are any, with a professional or someone you're paying, so that you know they can help you just talk through it and offer you some exercises to deal with day-to-day whatever. Sa alam ko lang na sa Filipino culture hindi masyadong common ang therapy and counseling and mental health in total. So yeah, I just want to be open about that with everybody, because it's really important. Your mental health is your physical health also, because if you're not happy mentally, your physical body will not be happy either. So yeah, so we'll just update you this week with whatever we eat and whatever we do. Tinatry kong ubusin yung mga fruits na naiwan. So, there's grapes and blueberries. Tapos, naghiwa din ako ng lemon for the water. And then, naka-light yung candles just so it smells good in here. I got my order. So, I'm gonna go up now. Here's my food. I actually ordered 2 because it was buy one, get one free. So I think the other one I'm just going to take for lunch tomorrow. Here we go. Yeah, so one is gonna be my lunch tomorrow and one's my lunch today. So if you open it up, I don't know if I can, there you go. There's a sandwich and some chips, and they make these in the cafe, so crunchy. And then this is just a chicken basil panini. So yeah. Okay, so tonight we're gonna be preparing the steak that we were supposed to prepare yesterday. So I'm going to just put the meat out so it's warm for later. I'm not gonna make it yet because I'm still working. Yung may naglilinis ng window namin sa labas. Okay, we cooked the steak.
Nagluto si Kim ng steak and excited ako na matikman. I'm super hungry.
Yeah, do you want rice?
Let's pray first. This is over to my sake if you share about the receive from my bounty through Christ our Lord. Amen.
You want rice?
Not really.
Okay, that's a lot of meat anyway. Morning everyone, today's Tuesday and it's so nice out. So nice. And then tomorrow it's gonna be cloudy and rainy, so let's take advantage of this sun. So wala naman masyadong ganap ngayon. Sikat my appointment ng 4:30 sa RMT and then I have an appointment at 5. So yeah, yun lang naman. Okay, so I'm walking home now before my appointment because I have to poop at home. So yeah. Okay, so now I'm on my way to the massage place. Kat is already there. Her massage already started. So mine is at 5 and it's only 4:45 and it's only 5 minutes away. So I'll get there just in time. Okay, I made it. And I didn't get lost. And there's parking. So God is with us. God is with us today. Okay, now I have to find where it actually is. I just found the parking for it. Oh, I think it's right there. Okay, I'm gonna get a massage. See you guys in a bit. How was your massage?
Hi! Okay naman. 10 out of 10. Sa'yo ba?
It was okay.
Ano ka ba? Nagpa-massage kami.
Yeah, I was vlogging kanina.
But, okay. Pero hindi massage na spa massage.
Oh yeah, not the spa
Massage
massage.
na
Yung-
registered massage therapy.
Yung kiniklaim sa work benefits, yun. Kasi yung yung shoulders namin.
Guys,
tigas pa rin
oo.
ang shoulders ko.
Alam nyo, claim nyo na yung mga benefits nyo sa work nyo kung meron kayo. Kasi
True.
hindi nyo malalaman na may nararamdaman pala kayo until maano nyo.
Yeah, at saka sayang naman kung you leave it until December tapos mga booked up na lahat ng mga RMT kasi nga lahat ng tao parang
Inuubos na.
inuubos na yung benefits for the year. Magpabook na kayo ngayon, tapos tapusin nyo na, or schedule nyo na yung until December para magamit nyo lahat.
Oo, sunod-sunod na. Gaya sa ginawa namin ni Kim sa ano. Ay, wait.
Last year ba yun?
Last year. Oo, last
Diba,
year.
nag-acupuncture kami last year dun sa nung December. Tapos alam nyo alam nyo, every 2 days may acupuncture kami.
Oo, inubos namin yung yung benefit namin kasi hindi na namin yun magagamit sa next year. Although,
Hindi kasi magre-renew yung amount na next year. Hindi na magke-carry forward yung mga hindi mo nagamit.
Oo. So, sayang naman. 'Di ba? So, at least,
ano pa bang ginawa natin? Ako, nagpa-Cairo ako last year din. Tapos, ngayon,
dentist.
medyo nagpa-Cairo na ako nung March ba yun? March or February?
April.
April, nagpa-Cairo na ako. Tapos, uulitin ko uli yun. Siguro, before the end of the year.
Ako siguro, oo, kailangan ko na magpa-Cairo. Itatry ko yun. Tsaka, dentist din, ginamit namin. And then, ano pa ba?
True. Kung nag-work kayo, tapos may work benefits kayo, gawin nyo na yung magpa-cleaning kayo, ipa-check up nyo yung teeth nyo. Kahit na may babayaran kayo na 20% or something, kasi 80% lang yung covered. Gawin nyo pa rin kasi you never know. Siguro yung next job nyo, walang benefits or hindi maganda. So,
yeah, make the most.
And sa inyo naman yun sa inyo naman benefits yun. So, might as well use it. Lalo na yung RMT, super worth it na gamitin. Siguro kung may 300 kayo o 3 times a year.
Oo, totoo. Nako, Diyos ko, gamitin nyo na. Ako kanina, sabi ko kay Kim na hindi ko alam na super tense pala ng lower ko sa likod ko kasi no hinawakan na ng masahista. Sumakit siya, tapos sabi niya, kasi masyadong tense daw yung likod mo. Sabi ko, hindi naman sumasakit. Sabi niya, hindi mo lang alam. So, kayo baka may nararamdaman kayo, hindi nyo alam na nararamdaman nyo pala.
Totoo. At saka pala, yung yung RMT nyo, pwede kayong mag-spa day sa mga magaganda na hotels.
Yeah.
Like last year on my birthday, ang binook ko yung sa Marriott ba yun? Marriott dun sa downtown. Tapos ang ganda ng spa, like best massage experience ever, and it was a RMT, so I got to claim half of it. Kasi yung mga ganun, sila mahal talaga. 250 yun kung hindi mo makiklaim.
Yeah.
And then may rule kasi sa benefits ko na may max amount lang na i-claim per visit, and that was 130. So I had to pay 120 for my massage, pero super worth it. Ang soft ng bed, tapos ang ganda ng view.
Oo.
Tapos
heated
may
pa, diba? Heated ba yun?
Yeah, heated yung bed. And then may pati pa sila, may pa-snacks.
Yeah, may pa-snacks, may view pa.
Oh my God.
Sobrang pampered ka
Yeah.
talaga.
May sauna din, and then may robe.
Robe, yeah.
Tapos maliligo ka pa doon. OMG.
That's true.
10 out of 10.
Oo,
So gamitin nyo yun dun din, no?
oo. Pero kung ayaw nyo magbayad ng extra, okay lang din. Gamitin nyo na yung
Oo. Yeah, go to RMT. Anyways, magdadrive na kami pa uwi. Kasi, wala. Nahilo kami nung pagtayo, nahilo kami bigla.
Nahilo kami, tingin namin parang siguro yung circulation ng dugo namin baka na Pero yeah, ang dami namin na feel na pain. Especially dito, sa shoulders.
Yeah. Yung akin naman yung sa arm. Kasi,
Ay, oo na.
kasi nagtatype ako every day. So, ang sakit ng muscle ko sa arm. Anyways, ginanon-ganon niya. Tapos, may iyak ka na. Tapos,
Really?
sabi niya, is this okay? Tapos sabi ko, yes. Tapos diniinan niya ba?
Sabi niya, okay pala, ha?
Yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna go home. Ang haba nito.
Okay, uwi na muna kami.
Okay, bye.
If you find the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish and one, yeah, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Memory lane isn't that too far away from our hearts, yeah, yeah. The ones we keep close, we should never let go. So tell me who you love, baby. Take a moment to unwind, fix yourself and realign.
So sunny. Hey guys, it's raining so hard. Oh my god. Look at that. Today is Friday. Going to work, and because it's Friday, I'm wearing like blue jeans. That's all. Yeah. See you later. Hmm? Okay, so we're going home now. We are going home. We're going home. Today is Friday, so this is the last day of our weekly vlog. And it's been a busy week, it feels like. Yeah, what happened this week? I think on Monday, what was on Monday?
You were working from home?
Oh, I was working from home on Monday. Did we not have anything to do on Monday? I
No,
don't
but
know.
on Tuesday, we both had our
Massage.
RNCs.
Yeah, our massage on Tuesday. And then on Wednesday, I had my counseling appointment. And then on Thursday, yesterday, I feel like we did something yesterday. We ate, we ordered Chico chicken. Yeah. And then wala na kaming
Oh,
rice.
yesterday we went to there.
Where?
There.
Oh, may appointment pala ako yesterday for waxing. Tapos, today we're just having dinner with Bea and Alex. So, yeah, we're probably not gonna vlog there. So, I guess this is it for this week.
Yep.
Yeah, it was a busy week but a short week. And anong plans natin sa weekend? So weekend,
Depends on the weather actually. But on Sunday we're going to
Belcara, pero that also depends on the weather. So lahat naman depending sa weather ngayon.
True.
Kasi supposedly it's gonna be rainy, pero
look, it's not rainy.
Yeah, today it's supposed to be rainy today, and it was sunny this morning and afternoon, and then now it's cloudy. So
Yeah.
we don't actually know if we're gonna end up going. Pero if wala kaming mapuntahan kasi mag-rain, then probably go like to indoor activities like aquarium maybe, and then ewan ko, basta we'll figure it out.
Yeah.
Siguro kakain kami. Yeah.
Hopefully, mag-enjoy kayo sa weekend you guys.
Yeah, gusto kong kumain sa actually. Sa Tapsilog.
True.
Oh my God. Yeah, sige, kakain kami sa Tapsilog. Na-vlog na namin yun dati, pero nahihiya pa kami noon. So, uulitin namin. Pakita namin sa inyo yung Tapsilog dito sa New West. It's very good. Anyways, that's all for this week, guys. Kasi lalakad kami and baka uulan na, so
Yeah.
we'll just end it here.
Okay, bye.
Bye, thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. See you in the next vlog.
Yeah, baka bukas. Probably bukas. So 7 minutes Sunday, and it's
Yeah,
Independence Day.
Abangan nyo pa rin pala yung 7-minute Sundays natin. Huwag nyo kalimutan mag-comment pa din kasi meron pa din tayo magaganap na raffle, of course.
Oo, pero pag 500 na tayo. So, yeah, anyways, bye. Ingat.
Bye!